Xiamen. We realized it was a very important site, the scheme we developed there, right at the entry point for the new financial district. Visible from the sea, visible from the ships which are passing by, kind of opening up towards the outlines, so kind of the front door.
It's a little bit complicated, but very interesting looking shape. Gives the situation that every panel is individual. We have not two panels which are exactly different profiles, different angles.
要与这个湛蓝的天空和纯净的大海能够完全融为一体。
We would create fantastic opportunities for the towers. We create peripheral views along the sea. All the towers have aspects towards the sea, which we thought was really important. That's a mixed-use development, and it's all placed over the top of a railway station. That was a very complicated, complex job, but also very exciting new challenge.
The left tower, a right tower, and the middle tower with the bridge, which you can tell this gives similar a view as a big door.